Hi, it's Mima and I'm girl you don't know. As many of you know, I love doing my nails. And lately I've been neglecting my nails due to work that I have had and due to work that I had to do inside the house. Like my nails didn't get any proper care at all. So, for more than 2 weeks, I've been doing absolutely nothing of the things that I do usually, and I believe it's been more than 2 weeks, but let's say 2 weeks. Anyways, I haven't put any oils on my nails or taken care of my nails at all whatsoever. As you can see, there is a lot of chipping, there is a lot of dry skin, and there is a lot of hangnails. But first things first, I'm going to remove my nail polish. And we're actually going to take a look into my nail plate and see what has happened during those period of time that I actually didn't take care of my nails at all or my hands, which is not really good idea because my nails, not just my nails, but my skin is also been getting very dry, and you can't really see well on this clip, but there is a few shots that I have took. As you can see here, my nails having some kind of weird thing going on, and also there is many dead ends. So I'm going to take a nail file and remove it, and the pointer finger that I'm actually now going to file down, because I'm going to file down my nails super short, short actually I think started breaking on the tip of the nail, and it got thinner and thinner because I didn't pay any attention to it, nor did I do anything at all. So I'm going to actually start from the scratch, going to file down my nails, and you can see there is a lot of hangnails that I'm also going to remove, and my nail plate is pretty dry because I didn't use any cuticle oil. We will go back on this journey and I'm going to try and bring my nails to healthy state, and not just my nails but overall everything. I'm just sharing with you my manicures, and I believe there is so much more than manicure that you can get through my videos. I love that we all love doing our nails together. So yes, I'm going to grow my nails from scratch because they're really in a bad condition, and I know that to some people this might not look bad, but trust me, they are bad. I'm going to, you see here, you can clearly see dry spots and some damage to my nail. I don't know why. I'm not sure why this happened because I did have nail polish on top, but that's that. I'm just going to go and wash my hands because I want to paint my nails now, and because I got it to desired length, I'm just washing them to remove any dust that I got from filing. I do always wash my hands before I paint them, then I dry them with towel, and that's basically it. But there you can see me and you can see my nails again. Anyways, I'm going to show you how they look right after washing and drying my nails, and then I'm going to apply, as always, base coat, and I'm gonna go with base coat and everything that it's followed by following just the regular steps that I always do. You will see that in this video I didn't use any cuticle oil. The reason is because I'm going to share with you everything in my upcoming videos, and I'm gonna do grow nails with me, and we are going to grow our nails together. But this time I'm going to film and show every detail of it, and I just really want to focus on growing healthy nails, overall having healthy nails, and how you can also achieve that as well. But now that my nails are short, I'm going to paint them, and I'm using white nail polish, and that is my little trick. I love white nail polish. I always repurchase more and more. Actually, here is the tip: if your nails are short, which is case on my nails now, and I know that some people have shorter nails. Anyways, if you paint white nail polish, which is my favorite one, I love it on my toes, on my hands, anywhere. I really love it because I think it's also very chic and sophisticated, but also very simple and goes with any outfit combination. But actually, white nail polish is going to make your nails look longer, and your nails is gonna stand out more. You can actually look at your nails, and white has calming effect, which is also great, and I love it because white to me radiates positivity, and we all need that in our lives. I definitely need it. I'm using a top coat as usual, and I'm not gonna show you how I applied it because you guys know by now, but here is the finished manicure, and I will keep you guys updated on everything, so starting with my series. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments because I love hearing from you, because I love responding to your comments and writing back with you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk with you in my next one. Until then, as I always say, never let anyone do you sparkle. Bye.